Okay, guys, today we're going to talk more about blueprints. So blueprints include a lot of things: site plans, surveys, engineering plans. But among those plans are floor plans, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So a floor plan doesn't tell me about the outside or a lot about the outside of the house. It just gives me a bird's eye view of what's inside. So if I take this roof, if I could just pick it up off this house or any house and look down from above, when I'm looking at my floor plan, all I see are the interior walls and symbols. So we're going to talk about the symbols that help make up a floor plan, or part of a floor plan. Okay, so what are these symbols? Doors, right? Okay. So we've got a single door, a double door. What about this, where the doors are sliding past each other? Sliding doors, okay. Bifold doors, pocket door. Okay, so these are only two symbols of windows. These are the only two you'll need to know for this class. So the top window is a casement window. This symbol is a double hung window. Or I'm sorry, the top is a double hung, the bottom is a single. So if you have two windows, they're able to slide by each other. You have a double hung window. These things are all symbols from the kitchen. These aren't as clear as I would like, but so what is this symbol? What would this is a single bowl kitchen sink. Some of you guys probably know, you know what like a farm style sink is? Right, those are pretty much in style. A double bowl, dishwasher, oven, stovetop, and refrigerator. Which one is a shower? Top right, shower. Okay, those lines are telling me that there's probably a drain in the middle. It's probably rolling through there. So here's a bathtub. The bathtub, could it also have a shower? Yeah, it could have a shower on the wall, but the shower is going to only be a shower. The tub could be a tub and shower, or just a tub. These are single bowl, double bowl sinks. The cabinets that they're in the bathroom, they're going to be referred to as vanities. We've got a commode and a bidet. And this is a copy of the floor plan that you guys are going to do a scavenger hunt on today. So there will be a little bit of math. You're going to just figure the area. So we talked about that, length times width. On the back side, flip your paper over, and there's 12 questions. So you guys, if you're not sure what the correct answer is, if there's somebody at your table, ask them first if you're not sure, and then if they're not sure, you guys ask me, okay? So ask a person closest to you. If they're not sure, then you guys can ask me. So you're looking for windows, doors, interior doors, bedrooms, washer and dryer. How many baths, how many closets? Okay, for what we're doing, if there's a pantry, count it separate than a closet, okay? Most people, if you say closet, or a lot of times they're thinking clothes, but this is located, the pantry's in the kitchen. Okay. And then two questions you're going to have to dig a little bit to determine. Does this house have a basement? And then does it have a fireplace? Okay, guys, so there's pencil and calculator on your table. So don't get stuck on a question. it's like, if you're not sure, your partner's not sure, go ahead and ask, I'll help you with it. This is just a glass door? Yeah. Okay, so that was a good question. She asked, the shower door, does that count as the door? And in this case, the shower door doesn't count as the door, like an interior door. That's a good question. So, is this a door? Okay, so then these are going to be windows. So that's a window over this sink. That's another good question. So count, for this sheet, count a half bath as a full bath. A lot of times, if you look at a house plan that a real estate company has for sale, it'll say maybe 3 baths. And when you look at the details, in reality, it may only be, it's like 2 full baths and a half bath. So that's a good question, but count it as a full bath for the sheet we were doing today. If you need help on the math, let me know, figuring the area, so don't forget your length times width. If it says heated area, can I count the front porch as part of the heated area? So I'm gonna have to subtract the area of my front porch. At the bottom of the sheet, it actually gives you the length and the width of the whole house. So you won't have to add the rooms to come up with that. And it gives you the length and width of the front porch. So figure the total area and then subtract the area from the front porch. Find the area. Okay. So the length times the width. So we want to convert width 32 feet 8 inches, so I'll need to convert that 8 to a decimal. So I'm just going to say 8 divided by 12, since there's 12 inches in a foot, is 0.66. So if you put 32.66, that's the same as 32 feet 8 inches. Does that make sense? Okay. That's okay. So we're going to convert the 8 inches to a decimal so we can multiply it. So there's 12 inches in a foot, so we're just going to say 8 divided by 12 is 0.66. So you can put 32.66 times the 36 length, and that'll give you the area.